everyone, and welcome to OlaJoe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm coming on today to show you another package from Furls, and I am going to go ahead and open this up. It does say fragile on the box. Okay, so I needed two hands to actually open that. All right, let's see what's inside. This is the Furls Night In kit. It comes with one skein of yarn, Whims Merino Z-Twist Crocheters yarn. And oh my gosh, this is so soft. Let me pull the lighting down a little bit so you all can see it. This is a medium weight 4 yarn. Okay, you can see it right there. Medium weight 4. Recommended hook size is a 5.5 to a 6.5 millimeter hook. So we made this yarn for you, crocheter. The unique twist of this yarn. Make it optimal for your stitches. And this comes in the color purple. It is 103 yards. And it is 50% fine soft wash merino wool and 50% nylon. Now for the knitting needles, you will need a 5.5. So, oh, this is so nice. I love how it is twisted. Very nice. And it comes with the crochet hook. So they wrap it up in this paper for ones that haven't used this before. I mean, ordered from here before. Streamlined swirl. And look at this hook. Very nice. There's cafe. I think that's cookies. This is the cafe one. Reminds me of coffee. And this red one right here, I can't think of the name of it. I want to say it's cherry. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, let's see what we got. Stop stalling. Oh, and it won't come out. Oh, this is interesting. Now, I've never opened a furl that did not just pop out. This is actually stuck in there. Can you see that? So, they're not bouncing up and down. I usually keep my boxes. Oh, I see. So it does slide right out. Because I was fearful of that. So look at it. This is very nice. I paired these together. And this is a G hook. This is a 4 millimeter. And this is gorgeous. Look at that. I just love their packaging. And, oh, look at it. That is so cute. But anywho, okay, so if you order this kit, you're going to order it for $38.50. And it should include the shipping. You will get one crochet hook. And there are various colors that you can get. You don't have to get the purple one. Okay, when you get on the Furls website, you're going to go ahead and click on this. In the upper left-hand corner, it's going to say New and Now. And you'll click on that. And in the pull-down menu, at the bottom, you'll see Furls Night In Kit. You're going to click on that, and it'll take you to this site here. 10% of the proceeds donated will go to Safe Horizon, which will be 5%, and 5% will also go to donate to Feeding America. And if you want more information on that, you can see where this love button is right here. You can click on each one of those, and click read more and get more details. You will have an option right here for your Furls Night In kit to pick a buy randomized kit or either build your own kit. Now, if you want to buy the randomized kit, if you look really closely, it's going to show what it includes. It will include a cream 7mm L hook and a streamlined swirl crochet hook and a pink worsted yarn. So let's go ahead and click build my kit. When you click on that, it's going to show how much it costs, which is the same. It'll be $38.50, including shipping. First, you'll choose your hook. You're going to either choose, you're going to choose the Taurus, Aries, Virgo, Andromeda, Cookie, Cherry, Cream, or Cafe. And as you click them, you will see the different designs, the different styles, and how they look. They're all gorgeous. It will be hard for you to choose. It was hard for me to choose. I chose the Taurus. That's the one that I showed you. So after you choose that, based on whichever color you choose, will determine what size is available for the hooks. And you will notice that there is a G, G plus, J, K, I, M, N, and P. Then after that, you're going to choose your weight. You can choose the DK weight or the worsted weight. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that it will give you the various colors based on the weight. Okay, DK weight has a light gray, but if you go to worsted weight, it has light gray too, which is good. But it seems like the worsted weight has a few more color choices, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it looks like it has a few more, but it's a wide variety. And then you'll go ahead and add it to your cart. Okay, like I said, 10% of the proceeds will go to those two organizations, but you will also see that in the kit, not only will you receive a hook, a skein of yarn, but also 4 digital patterns. Can you all see that there? 4 digital patterns is what you'll receive. And what I did was I went ahead and printed them out. One is the crossbody using 1 skein of yarn. And this looks like the skein. It's very pretty. I was like very excited about this. Princess Cow is another one. And this third one is Project Pouch. And I can't wait to try this one. I am going to definitely do this. I'll add it on my list of whips. And the fourth one, unfortunately, I don't have, but it is a hat. I knew I had this hat pattern. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It is the cross seams hat. So it was stacked on top of the other papers back there. But I thought this was wonderful how they put this, the team of Furls people put this together. So we won't have to do any guesswork. We can find out right away what we can use to make a project with this little small ball of yarn that is heavy, but it looks lightweight. And this is worsted weight. So I'll see you soon. Have a glorious one. Be safe out there. So I just wanted to let you know that after you purchase it, once your payment goes through, you'll be able to download all 4 of the digital patterns. So I just wanted to let you know that. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. Just click my link down below in the description box, and I will get a little kickback from that. There is no extra purchase or extra charge to you for doing that. So each click counts. So just go ahead and check the description box down below. If this was helpful for you, just let me know. And I look forward to bringing to you more Furls products. And I will be seeing you very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.